this Decants list of perfume. You can just search it on Shopee, I guess. But let's try. I'm happy. I'm grateful. It's surprising. So let's try this Joe Malone English pear. Okay. Wait lang. Yeah, it's good. It's refreshing. Light lang yung scent. Mabango. Parang high school. Joe Malone. Hindi siya yung sobrang tapang. So let's try another. It's Nectarine Blossom and Honey. It's 10 ml. I received 3 of this. So let's try. Bango. Parang nung high school ka. It's good. Light lang siya. Hindi siya